Hello guys, so this video is basically just a little test to see how well I can record videos on my new iPad and how well I can edit them as well, because I'm currently doing this in iMovie, which is a bit different to usual because normally I edit videos in Premiere. But basically this is just a little update to let you guys know I'm going to have lots of iPad Pro videos coming on my main channel soon, as a way of comparing it to a Cintiq for digital art, what I think I would recommend, because trust me, this cost an arm and a leg. I've been saving up for ages to buy this iPad, and I've only got the 64 gig smaller model. It's the newest iPad Pro, so the one that doesn't have a home button, but it's like an 11-inch one. But yeah, I'm trying out Procreate for the first time. Here's some footage of what I've been working on. I'm actually working on an animatic, which I will be posting to this channel very soon. But yeah, let me know what kind of videos you want to see about the new iPad and using Procreate.